Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for car reviews, future model insights, and everything on wheels. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay updated with the latest releases, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our content. Today, we're taking a closer look at the much-anticipated return of the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado, a car that blends classic sport coupe DNA with modern performance and technology. Stay with us until the end of the video to catch every detail that makes this new Corrado a standout in the market. The 2026 Volkswagen Corrado makes a bold comeback with a refined design and a performance-focused setup. Under the hood, the Corrado is expected to feature a turbocharged inline-4 or optional V6 engine, producing between 250 to 350 horsepower depending on the variant. Torque figures are estimated between 270 to 370 pound-feet, offering a thrilling drive. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Corrado caters to both purists and daily drivers. Drive options include standard front-wheel drive with an available all-wheel drive system for enhanced grip and stability. Inside, the Corrado offers a driver-focused cockpit with seating for 4. Interior materials include high-grade leather upholstery with contrast stitching, optional Alcantara inserts, and brushed metal accents. Heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a digital cockpit display bring comfort and convenience to every drive. On the outside, the car maintains its coupe form with sleek proportions, sculpted lines, and an aggressive grille. Its dimensions allow for a low stance and improved aerodynamics, while the long wheelbase ensures balanced handling. The suspension system includes a sport-tuned independent setup with adaptive dampers for a smooth yet responsive ride. Steering is quick and precise thanks to the electric rack and pinion setup. Braking is handled by ventilated disc brakes on all corners, offering confident stopping power. Safety features include front and side airbags, ABS, ESC, lane assist, and a backup camera with front and rear sensors. Infotainment includes a high-resolution touchscreen with navigation, Bluetooth, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a premium audio system. Other features like cruise control, keyless entry, sunroof, and ambient lighting round out the offering. Notable updates include a refreshed body design, performance upgrades, and exclusive trim options. For more exciting reviews, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Drive, and stay connected for future updates.